Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shannon Morse, and here is where you will find all sorts of information all about technology and travel. Today I have this. It is a Team Pixel influencer kit for the Pixel 3a, which was just announced at Google I/O last week, so I am super excited about this. I actually have kind of a funny story. FedEx was supposed to deliver this overnight last week, and it turns out they delivered to the wrong household. So a neighbor that I have several streets over had taken the package in to, I guess, just to keep it safe, which was very nice of them to do. And they knocked on my door this morning. Luckily, I was working from home, so I answered the door and they were like, "Hey, I got this package." I checked the label, my address was correct, so FedEx had delivered to the wrong house, which was very upsetting because I didn't get this at the time that I should have received it, but it wasn't Team Pixel's fault. It was completely on FedEx. So that was an unfortunate little mishap, but I'm really glad that I did get the package and that I have an honest neighbor. So today we're doing the unboxing. Okay, so I'm gonna do this on my lap and I will show you some close-ups as I go ahead and unbox this, since I don't know exactly what is in here, but on the front we have this gorgeous little outline that says hashtag Team Pixel. And if I open this, it's a pop socket. Let's see. Oh, okay, that's cute, actually. I need these. I use these all the time, so that's really cool. It's a hashtag Team Pixel pop socket. It uses the Google branding on there, and it looks like it's one of the nice ones that you can actually move around, so I'll be able to put this on the back of my case and then put it on a new phone whenever I get a new one. So thank you. I love pop sockets. These are so useful. There's also a little info card, and it says try 1 month free of Google Fi service on your new Pixel 3a. I already have Google Fi, so likely I won't use this. Looks like we also got, is this a tote bag? Did they give us a tote bag? So cool. Yes, it's a tote bag. I love bags. So I live in California and we don't get plastic bags anymore, and you have to pay for paper bags whenever you go shopping or whenever you go to the grocery store. So I hoard tote bags, seriously. So anytime a company is like, here's a free tote bag, I'm like, yes, thank you. So Google sent over a tote bag. I'm definitely gonna use this. I'm so excited about using this too. And it says Team Pixel on the back too, a little bit more branding, which is awesome. I also like the canvas material. These are really good for going grocery shopping. So thank you, love this. There is also a Pixel 3a case. I'm gonna get my knife out and actually open this box because I wanna see if it's the black color or if it's a different color. So there you go. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, it's more of like a grayish color. Really pretty though. This also says Team Pixel. For help and cleaning tips, go to g.co/cases/help. It's got a nice like felt interior lining on there, so really nice interior lining. And the outside is a fabric case. So this is built exclusively for the Pixel 3a, but they also have fabric cases for the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, probably the older ones as well. And they do come in a variety of colors. So this one just happens to be the grayish color. Very pretty. Feels very premium too, so I like these cases. There's a card in here that says your Pixel 3a is finally here. We'd like you to be among the first to have one. It also says it's got the same outstanding camera as the Pixel 3, which I did know based on some of the research that I was doing. The Google Assistant to help you get things done, and many other helpful features for you to explore and fall in love. Plus, we've included some extra goodies for you just for being a Team Pixel member. Please tag us as you share your adventures. Cheers, your friends at Google. And we got another hashtag Team Pixel right there. So cute little card. Thank you, Google. And now we have the prime piece of the box, which is the new Google Pixel 3a. Ta-da! Now it looks like they sent out the purple one, which is called, I believe it's called Purple-ish. Very pretty color. These all come in a standard size of 64 gigs, and this is the 5.6 inch version, so I think this is the smaller Pixel 3a. There's also a Pixel 3a XL as well that's a little bit larger than this one, but I wanted to try out the smaller one, so I'm really happy that they sent this one. Yes, it is called Purple-ish. The model number for this specific one is G020G, so that's the exact kind that I got. The back of it says Team Pixel, and then it has a really pretty photography print of the Pixel 3a on the back in that purplish color too. Let's go ahead and find out what comes in the box itself. You get to see it before I do. Oh, it's pretty! I love lavender, so I'm really excited to have a purple phone. So I peeled this off, and now we have the phone itself. Hello, you. The back of it, I believe, is plastic. You can kind of tell. It doesn't feel the same as the Pixel 3. And it has a lime green power button right there, and then volume up and down. It still has the same curved glass, and it has this really pretty curved back too, and it also has that like frosted color going on with the lavender. I think that's really nice, and you can't really tell a difference between a glass and plastic versions, so I'm pretty happy about that. You will notice on the front, there's only one camera. There's not dual lenses like you have on the 3XL, so that will be something different. That's going to take some getting used to too, because I really like that wide lens on the Pixel 3 on that original one. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side for a second, and let's find out what else is inside the box. So in here we have, first we have a little G, and if I pull this out, we have the little SIM swapping tool. There is a Pixel user guide. That's pretty self-explanatory. I probably won't need this. They also included a G for Google and Team Pixel stickers. Always useful. And then of course your little safety information guide, which they have to include per certifications in the United States. There is also a power brick. It's a USB-C power brick, which is wonderful. Let's see, the specific information on this is input of 100 to 240 volts, 0.5 amp, 50 to 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volt, 2 amp. So it looks like this is a fast charging one, which is great. And then we also got, if I can get these out, USB-C to USB-C charging cable. That's awesome. I'm totally gearing up for USB-C, so I'm trying to get more and more items that use USB-C so I can transition over to this as a favorable option for USB charging. It's wonderful. There's also a USB 2.0 to USB-C little adapter. That's wonderful. Just in case you have one of the older versions of the adapters or charging cables, you can still use it with USB-C for your phone. Right on. So I am super stoked about using this phone. I can't wait to try it out. I've been very curious about it because of this handy little feature right here, which is a headphone jack. That's very important to me as a podcaster, as a vlogger. I just got a cute little Rode Wireless Mic Go kit for $200 that I want to plug into this and see how it would work, like actually taking it with me to travel as an exclusive vlogging and video camera. So really my sole reason for wanting to check this out is as a video and photography camera, because at $400, that's a really, really good price. And the other features that come along with this as well, like the CPU in here is not as crazy big as the one that is in the Pixel 3, but it's still supposed to be very good processing, and it's supposed to have you know, all the updated features that you would expect out of Android. So better security, you got the Titan M security chip, which is brand new, just came out recently for the Pixel 3 line, so I'm really excited to have that in here as well because security and privacy is big for me. And you also have all that storage, so 64 gigs of storage with unlimited storage for Google Photos. So if you use Google Photos, they will upload them all to high res for free, which is wonderful. So if you want to see a full review of the Pixel phone, definitely go over to TechThing, which is over at youtube.com/TEKThing. That's where I'm going to be reviewing this product later this week. And definitely check out my channel here, which is youtube.com/Shannon Morse, for a whole bunch more videos that are dedicated to this little guy, because I want to check out everything from comparing this to the Pixel 3 camera, making sure that they are actually the same, and checking out the processing and making sure this one is just as fast or at least really close to it, and also making sure that it works with the Rode Wireless Go mic, because I think sticking this on my Osmo Mobile and using that with the Rode Wireless Go mic will be really cool. I'm also wondering if like the speakers are good. Anyway, I have a lot of questions about this. Can't wait to review it. Definitely check out the full review over on Tech Thing and my camera versus and all of my other videos on this channel as well. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions you want me to cover with the Pixel 3a. I will definitely check those out and be reading them right around the time that I upload this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.